Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, then find and pick the settings. Now it's time to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Backup and Reset. Here the very last tab is Factory Data Reset. Click on it, and as you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone's storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all other user data. If you still want to reset your phone, simply click on this tab. And just confirm it one more time, because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all your data. And now just wait a couple of minutes until your device is wiped from data. And that's it. Now you can set up your device as a new one from the scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.